Let's explore keyword research tools, which are essential for modern search engine optimization success. These tools help in finding the high-value search terms that drive targeted traffic to your website. This will also help in improving your search engine rankings. There are different categories of keyword research tools. These include free tools, premium solutions, and all-in-one search engine optimization platforms. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool that offers several key features. It provides monthly search volume data and trends, insights into competition levels, keyword bid estimates for ads, integration with Google Ads campaigns, and historical statistics with forecasts. For best practices, start with seed keywords, then analyze search volumes, check competition metrics, review bid ranges, export targeted keywords, group them by search intent, and prioritize opportunities. SEMrush is a premium tool that offers advanced keyword research capabilities. It includes competitor analysis, allowing you to track competitor rankings and discover their best keywords. It also has a keyword magic tool, providing access to over 20 billion keywords with detailed metrics, and a position tracking feature that helps in monitoring keyword rankings across multiple locations. The workflow starts with domain analysis, moving into keyword discovery, followed by competition analysis, then gap identification, leading to strategy creation and final implementation. Ahrefs Keyword Explorer is another premium tool, providing metrics like keyword difficulty, which estimates how hard it is to rank in the top 10 Google results on a scale of 0 to 100. It also gives click potential, which shows the estimated percentage of searches that lead to clicks on organic results, and displays the worldwide monthly search volume with country-specific breakdowns. It also identifies broader topics that may be easier to rank for with similar search intent. For example, the keyword Best Search Engine Optimization Tools has a difficulty score of 78, a monthly search volume of 8,400, and a click potential of 92%. The keyword difficulty is high, click per search is high, and the search volume is growing. Moz Keyword Explorer offers key features such as a priority score, a custom metric that combines search volume, difficulty, and organic click-through rate. It has search engine results page analysis that provides a detailed breakdown of the current top ranking pages, and it has keyword suggestions which provide related terms with search intent classification. A priority score distribution chart shows that a high priority score has a 90% relevance, medium has a 60% relevance, and low has a 30% relevance. Let us explore some alternative keyword research tools. Ubersuggest generates content suggestions based on the top-performing pages in your niche. For example, for the topic Yoga for Beginners, it suggests 15 basic yoga poses and a morning yoga routine. It also provides a keyword overview giving search volume, search engine optimization difficulty, and paid difficulty metrics. Answer the Public helps in discovering questions people are asking about your topic. For example, under the topic Yoga, it will give the search types like how, why, and when. It also categorizes searches by prepositions and comparisons, like yoga versus Pilates or yoga with props. Let's discuss some specialized keyword research tools. Longtail Pro has a proprietary scoring system that evaluates ranking difficulty. The average keyword competitiveness score is 35 out of 100. It provides detailed competitor metrics, including domain age and authority. This also gives a real-time top 10 analysis. It estimates potential traffic value based on current rankings. KeywordTool.io provides keyword research across multiple search engines and platforms, supporting more than 12 platforms. It has specialized data for YouTube, Amazon, and social media. It also provides direct application programming interface access for bulk keyword research automation. To get the most out of your keyword research, it is best to cross-reference data by using multiple tools to validate keyword metrics and ensure accuracy. It is important to focus on search intent over pure volume metrics and monitor seasonal variations and emerging keyword opportunities. For tool selection, You should match tool features with your budget constraints and return on investment requirements. It is also important to evaluate historical data accuracy and update frequency, and consider compatibility with your existing search engine optimization toolkit. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.